In this video, we will see how to fix error code 60. The remote adapter is not compatible. Error bad RAM adapter. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose device manager. Basically, it's a network adapter related issue. So you must update your network adapter drive. Device manager will now open. Here go to network adapter section, expand it. Right click on your network adapter driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Click on search automatically for drivers. After that, check whether your error code is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. On the same page, right click on a start button of your network adapter driver and choose properties and make sure that under device status the device is working properly. Such type of message you are receiving means your device is working properly. Make sure that. And after that, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. And in command prompt windows, execute the command as shown on screen, winsock reset. Execute this command in command prompt windows to reset winsock and press enter and wait for some times. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose device manager. And here go to your network adapter section. Expand it. Right click on your network adapter driver and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar, go to advanced and under property, select large send offload v2 IPv4. Make sure that for both large send offload v2 IPv4 and sex value should be disabled. Click on a small arrow and choose disabled for both the IPv4 and sex. The value should be disabled. And click on apply and OK to save the changes. Close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose run. And in run dialog box, type ncpa.cpl. ncpa.cpl. This command will open all your available network connection list. Here go to your network connections, right click on it and choose properties. Here select your internet protocol version IPv4 which you are using. Select it and choose properties. And obtain an IP address automatically. Make the check against option, use the following IP address and change your IP address as per your choice. If you have any different IP address, then enter it full and check after changing your IP address, the problem should be resolved. That's all.